Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start trade show marketing with Freeman, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, understand your goals for participating in the trade show. Define what you hope to achieve, such as brand awareness, lead generation, or product launches. Next, research upcoming trade shows relevant to your industry. Make a list of potential events that align with your target audience. Evaluate factors such as location, timing, and attendee demographics. Once you have your events selected, it's time to confirm your budget. Consider booth space costs, design, shipping, and promotional materials. After establishing a budget, choose the right booth size and layout. Freeman offers various options, so select a design that represents your brand effectively. Now, it's important to create engaging visuals for your booth. Use high-quality graphics and clear messaging to attract attendees. After that, build a schedule for trade show preparation. Assign tasks to your team for logistics, setup, and follow-ups. Next, develop a plan for pre-show marketing. This can include social media announcements and email campaigns. Once at the venue, set up your booth with attention to detail. Ensure that everything is organized and visually appealing. Engage with attendees actively during the show. Train your team to communicate your brand message clearly. Use lead capture tools to collect contact information effectively. After the event, analyze your performance. Review metrics like leads generated and engagement levels. Follow up with leads promptly after the show. Develop a strategy to nurture these leads over time. Finally, gather feedback from your team and attendees. Evaluate what worked well and what can be improved for future events. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successful trade show marketing with Freeman. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.